We are continuing with our series on how to tune an entire harp. This one was fitted with the Kettlewell frictionless mouthpiece, which provides friction-free movement to new note hole positions, a relaxed embouchure of the lip. No more saliva used to lubricate, and a little better tone sometimes. But here we are dealing now with how to tune the reeds, which are not on the top, which are draw reeds, but the blow reeds, which are at the bottom of each of the reed plates on the inside, towards the inside of the harp. So we're going to be going over how to accomplish that job, and I'll offer you options, and we'll try a couple different things. The next step actually is to ensure that the blows, both with the slide in that position, all those blow notes, and then all those blow notes with the slide accessing the lower plate, this of course being the upper plate, positions to get to those, you can see, and then these are the positions to get to the lower ones. We've got blow notes on both of them. The first thing I would suggest is to check your tuning again that you've recorded, because what if you goofed? So let's go ahead and just do this for a sec here. I'm going to go ahead and just check everything. And you might say, I do a lot of checking everything in this job because you can really screw things up if you get lost. So the first blow is supposed to be okay. Perfect. Green light's on and needle straight up and down. So that one's okay. The second one, of course, I have to get to the top, right? Up here I have to push the slide in. This is supposed to be okay too. Dead on. The third one is supposed to be down too. And it is. And the fourth hole is supposed to be okay. Fifth hole, sixth. One, two, three, four, five, six. Now the sixth hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -2. It is. You know, it's interesting. I actually got mixed up there and I was blowing the fifth hole, which was dead on. Then when I went to check the sixth hole, I was on the wrong hole. And that's why I'm just redoing this last one here. That one's down too. So, you might hit the wrong hole. Check it. Go back and look again. Okay, so 6 is correct. Now, seventh hole, we're supposed to be down 2. Okay, I think that's correct. Eighth hole, down 3. Correct. Ninth hole, okay. Correct. 10th hole. It's supposed to be -3. It's actually -4. Okay, and then we have 11th hole, -5. Mm-hmm. 12th hole, -5. It's -4, not -5. So now, we're just still verifying that our tracking was correct. I'm going to now do the same thing, not for all the holes that were accessible on the top, but now for the bottom. And I won't record that because it's identical. It's just I'm doing the lower reed plate reeds.